onwards, we are going to start with a new topic, that is copywriting. Now, what do you exactly mean by copywriting and how it is useful in business? Let's just start by understanding the meaning of copywriting and how is this course going to help us this problem and to understand more about copywriting. Firstly, copywriting means whatever you write, okay? From that, you either start or extend or enhance the relationship with the customer. So, whether you start it, you extend the relationship with the customer, or you enhance the growth of your business. Your growth of your business depends upon your relationship with the customer. So, copywriting is somewhere like salesmanship in printing. Means you are selling something but in the way of print. Your medium is words, print. So, now see, mostly in copywriting, it is very necessary to understand what are we exactly selling. What is our product all about? What are the features of our product? What are the benefits of our product? What is the difference between features and benefits? Then, most of the customers are more interested to listen to know the benefits about the product or the service rather than the feature. So, you should understand how to present the benefits of the product or the service as well as the features. So, firstly, you should understand the difference between benefits and the difference between features. Then it comes, many of the customers don't even realize that your product and service is actually needed by them. They just ignore the thought of it. So, to make them realize that they actually need this product is actually going to help them. So, in this way, we are going to write something and enhance our business. So, copywriting is something where by print material, we are going to start a business, extend or enhance it. For that, you should firstly understand about your product. What are you selling? Then, what are the benefits of it? And how are you going to present it to your customers by writing it down? What is the difference you're keeping between header and subheader? And all those minute things. But just don't worry guys, because in this course we are going to learn all about copywriting. So, from here starts the way to copywriting.
Don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon for new updated videos. Like and share videos with your friends.